check it in alphabetical order. I gave Y na. This one, na? Y 1030 EMP object. Yes or no? Package is what? Same. What is the object type? Y 1030 E type. And this is your object name. If I expand this, it contains what? API method, which is linked with what? BAPI function model. Right? So let me do it once again. So up to this is clear now. We have created what? BAPI function model and it is working fine. Now I need to create what? API method. So let me give a different name. What is the T code? SW01. Just cross check. I'll give the name as Z1030 what? Z1030 type else. Something. Simply I'll say what Z1030 type. Create. What is the object name? Z1030 OBJ also something Z1030 OBJ, and this name I'll give it as Z1030 what employee. Description I'll say something 1030 employee object. So what are the important things here? Important things are what? Not program. This one object type and what? Object name. So let me make a note of this for my reference. What is this? Object type is what? Z1030 type, and what else? Object name is what? Z1030 OBJ. This one Z1030 OBJ. Done. Continue. Done. So by default you'll have what? Two methods. What is the first thing you have to do? Choose what? I can follow any sequence. I'll choose methods. Utilities, API methods what? Add method. Function model is what? ZBAPI 1030 insert EMP. Continue. It is proposing what? API method. Continue. And there are the parameter names. Done. Method is not yet implemented. You want to generate template? Say yes. Done. What is the next step I have to do? Choose this. Let me first what? Redefine. I'll put the cursor here. I'll choose edit redefine. Done. I'll choose this. Edit what? Redefine. Done. Then I'll choose each method. Click on what? Method display is what? Not implemented. Done. Let me save it. Check for the syntax error. Done. Method exists still check is not implemented. Let me save it. Check for what? Syntax error. Done. Any of this method is already implemented. If I choose this, if I go to what? So it is already there. Okay, so just save it and move on. Right. Next step is what? Choose each method, edit, change release status, object type to what? Implemented. Anyway, you'll get the message what? Object type status is set to what? Implemented. Then I'll choose what? Edit, change release status, object type to what? Released. I got what? Tick mark. So object type is what? Released. Even this methods also should be in what? Release state. So I'll choose edit, change release status, object type component to what? Implemented. If you say, you'll get a message already implemented. So I need not do that. Edit, change release status, object type component to what? First object type released. Then what? Object type component to release. Released. Edit, change release status, object type component to released. I'll choose this. Edit, change release status, object type component to. So methods are released as well as what? Object type is released. So just save it. If you want to cross check in the initial screen again, object type change release status to what? Released. I'm getting a message. Already has got the status what? Released. Now you have to check the entry in what? View all. So I'll go to BAPI code. By default all alphabetical order. What is that? Z1030 OBJ na? Yeah, this one is earlier one is Z1030 EMP. Now this is what? Z1030 OBJ. What is the object type? Z1030 type. Okay, if you expand, the API method is ZBAPI insert EMP, and this is a function model. What are the parameters for the API method? IEMP and what? Return. IEMP and what? Return. Understood? So now what you have to do, we need to prepare the technical specs which contains the information about this business object, like what is the object name, what is the object type, what is the API method name, what are the parameter names, what are the parameter type, whether it is import or export. Understood? You have to prepare the technical specs, and that technical specs will be used by you, legacy programmer, to call what? API method. Am I clear? So let me check whether I can show it or not. So this is your object type, and what is the object name? Z1030 OBJ. And what is the API method name? Z is uppercase, right? Z BAPI what? Insert EMP. Done. Then what are the parameters of the API method? IEMP, which is a what type? IEMP is what type? Z 10th. Understood? IEMP is what type? It is referring to dictionary structure. Z 1030 EMP. It is import, and it is what? Mandated. So Z 1030 EMP, which itself has got how many fields? Three fields: EMP number, EMP name, and EMP. Understood? And you have to specify the data type. What is this? Integer. In the technical specs, you have to specify all these things. This is character of what? Something 20, I think. This is something character of 20. Then, okay, this is what parameter? Import. Then what is the other parameter? So return. Return is what type? Is of type BAPI return. BAPI return. It is what? Export. Export parameters are always optional. Okay, so this is your export. So like this, we'll prepare the what? Huh. Here also? Where is the documentation? Where? Here. Huh? Go to. That's all we are preparing what? Technical specs. This technical specs will give it to whom? To the legacy flow. Understood? So this is my information about what? API method. Now, once the API method is available, we can call it from what? Legacy application. Okay. So once again, let me try whether I can show it or not. Okay, this is out of our discussion, but let me try. Create form. Okay, no. Oh, good. Already I'm writing the code, but many parameters you have to pass? 3 parameters. This is VB component, so just ignore it. This dim is like a data keyword in ABAP. We declare variables by using data keyword. No? In .NET we use dim, declare in memory. Then what is that form loading? In our selection screen, what is the first event triggered initialization? Na? Okay, in module 2 PBO, process before output. Here in .NET form load event, there is an event called as form load event. We need, okay, here in the form load event, what I have to do is, when I run this application, it has to connect to my SAP system. Okay. Then when I click on the button, what is the event triggered in our ABAP? PAI, process after input. Here click event is there. Suppose this is a button, we have what? Click event. Okay. So there's lots of code. I don't want to waste time. Let me check where. And I think I've copied it. It's copied it. So just here, let me just quickly copy it. Don't try to understand. It is out of our discussion. need to do the changes. I need to do the changes here. Yeah, what is our object type name? Z1030 type. Two are there. I'll take this one. What is that? Z1030 type. What is the object name? Z1030 OBJ. What is the API method name? ZBAPI insert EMP. Z, I, and E are in uppercase. What is that input parameter name? IEMP. I and E are in what? Uppercase. Let me cross check. Now I'll go to this. What are the fields in that? EMP number, ename, and EMP basic. Text designated text EMP number done. I don't have only three columns. No? The ZBAPI insert EMP, right? PIEMP.